Hello, and welcome to my screen capture for database structures. So I decided to cover the topic of a dump, a database dump. And a dump is, it contains a record of the table structure and the data from the database. And then we want to save that out by dumping it, and that keeps a copy of the current database, the most current database. This allows us to back up memory, so back up the information. This is especially helpful when we have corrupted databases, as you can see here. There are several websites to do it. Any environment that you have for SQL usually has something built in. In my case, in the class, we're using MySQL. And MySQL has its own dump, and there's actually a syntax for it, for the MySQL dump. But you don't even have to write code because I have it built in to just in the properties of your database in general. So if I go ahead and pull up Navicat, which is our environment that uses MySQL, you can see some data here. There's one query named example, which I have just some basic information, and two tables, a DVD table and an activity log. So if I want to create a dump of this, I'm going to go ahead and right-click the database, and we're going to dump. And you want structure and data, or you can get structure, but we want both. So go ahead and click this. It's going to give us a little window to pick up to select where we want to save it. I'm going to save it to desktop. And this will start the process. And we'll close down. And I'll go ahead and delete this, so it got corrupted. And we no longer have that. So go in here, go into query, and then we'll drag this back in. Move here. So now we have a copy of the database. Will give us all the information that we had in there previously, the tables, which we can see we have DVD, and then DVD, which was one of our tables, and activity log, which had nothing in it, so nothing's going to show up. And that's as simple as a dump. It's extremely important because losing information to a corrupted database would be a very bad thing, so having plenty of backups using dumps is highly recommended.